Okay, late start, but better late than never. It's almost 1 o'clock, 12:20. Now I then put this manifold back in place and then put the coils back on. Now I'm about to put everything just how I got it. I'm gonna take my time and do that. Put every bolt back, and then we'll crank her up, give it a drive, and we should be free and running better with no more oil leaks. I got everything back in place. I think it looks about right. Everything's back in place, torqued down. Now let me put the cover back on. Let me put this cover back on. Make sure I got these little things right to. Alright. Those pop down in there. Make sure they pop down in there right. Now I gotta put these bolts back right here. These bolts that I loosened. Okay, got that back on. Now I'm gonna put this new filter in. See how small this filter is? Ain't even that much to change either. Just slide these two little tabs up on this side of this air box. Pull out this little tray. And that's the filter. It ain't that bad, but it's dirty. So I just take that. Put that in there. I'm gonna put the camera. I'm gonna wipe that out first before I put the new filter in, and I'll put it back. Okay, got the new engine air filter in. Gonna put that in there. Slide it down. Put the cover back on. And now, put it this way. Let's see. Okay. Now I'm going to do a cleanup, put all my tools and everything up. And once I put my tools out, then we're going to crank it up and give it a run. It shouldn't be no codes. Oh, wait. We ain't going to crank it up and give it a run. Got to connect the battery cable. I'm going to connect the battery. Let me get something, tighten that down. So I'll tighten the battery cable down. I've already cleared the codes before I started the work. So there shouldn't be any codes once I start it back. I just probably have to set the clock, but we'll go from there. Okay, let's crank this bad boy up. Let's crank her up. Oh, I gotta let she cranked up and then she stopped. Let me let the pump and everything prime up. Let me let everything prime up. Let me switch it off and let it prime up again. Wait a minute. Okay, I got this bad boy cranked. I think the fuel got to shift up because it's been sitting for a while. So I think them fuel got to get up to them injectors. I'm gonna let it sit here and run. And I'm going to inspect the engine. Engine is quieting. Fuel's gotten back up into the fuel injector. It's running real calm, but I'm about to go take it on the first drive. Make sure that everything is pushing properly. Okay, we're about to take this thing for a drive. Let's see. Okay. Let's see, bad boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's getting up there, baby. It's getting up there, baby. Go around another block. This is good to go. It's good to go. God is good. It's amazing. It's amazing what spark plugs can do, ain't it? It's amazing what spark plugs can do. I'm going to have one happy camper. One happy camper. Not only did she get her spark plugs changed to fix her cylinder 1 engine misfire, also we found a valve cover gasket leak because oil was all over the place, so she used to had to add oil on a regular basis. So we took care of that. All leak is gone. Then we also changed the engine air filter as a courtesy. So yeah, God is good.